What defines an official relationship? Magkaiba kaming answer dyan. I mean, feeling ko ngayon, same na. Pero think about you.
Me.
As in, you before maging tayo. Well, kasi ako first jowa ko siya. Siya rin naman.
First girlfriend ko siya.
Pero, maraming flings yun.
Ikaw rin naman.
Oy,
Okay.
hindi natin pinag-uusapan. Okay.
Okay.
Kailan official ang relationship for you? Then and now.
Before,
Yan.
official sa akin kapag, number 1, there's agreement na, okay, tayo na. Like, you agree na mag-girlfriend, boyfriend kayo. That's one. That's the first one. Parang yun yung yun yung first item in the checklist.
Oh, may checklist.
Second one,
Okay,
probably,
so guys, may checklist daw for you.
second one, dito kailangan alam ng families.
Okay.
Okay? Kailangan alam ng families. Like, my side and your side. Okay? And then, etong third one, depende sa trip ng couple. Kasi yung iba, as long as official sila sa isa't isa, and then official din sa family side. Etong third, medyo optional. But for me, before, medyo bet ko, parang magkain na requirement na dapat you're also out in public.
Oh, okay.
Not necessarily iba bandera. Diba? Not necessarily iba bandera. Or like, kasi we were never the one to... Hindi kami na-post ng in a relationship sa Facebook.
Ang funny, okay. May side story. Side story lang siya. But,
Alam ko yan.
funny lang kasi, sino ba nag-bring up nun ikaw?
Hindi, parang people were like checking our profiles. Tapos sabi, bakit ito nakalagay single? Diba? Tapos nag-away tayo. Inaway mo ako.
Oo, kasi parang friend namin yung
Point
bring
out.
up nun. Tapos
sabi, bakit
bakit yung Facebook niya daw, single nakalagay.
Tapos sabi ko, bakit? Ikaw rin naman
sa kanya, tapos sa funny kasi.
Siya rin naman. Single din naman nakalagay sa kanya. So, that day, saka namin in-update to in a relationship. Pero hindi nga natin tinag isa't isa, di ba? We didn't put in a relationship with...
Oo, tsaka hindi public.
Oo. Hindi naman siya pinost sa Facebook.
Hindi namin share in public.
Okay. So, yun yung tatlo. But now, different na ako.
Mature POV.
I only need 2. Yung first 2 items lang. Dapat, syempre, consensual. Alam naman, for me, joke kita, tapos for you, di mo ka joke.
Don't give me bro. May mga ganun.
So, kailangan, jowa tayo. First one. And then, kailangan, non-negotiable for me pa rin na kailangan alam ng family. Gets? I mean, at this age, we're like 20 plus. Guys, di na tayo bata. Please. The family has to know. Especially if it's a serious relationship. Parang gets ko kung fling lang eh. Parang for you, wala lang. Trip ko lang. Ba't ka papaalala sa parents ko, di ba? Kung trip lang. But for us, for sure, we have always aimed to like date to marry and shit. Even at a young age. So, it was always clear na kailangan alam ng
that's for us.
Ikaw.
Ayan, same naman tayo.
Same naman tayo, diba?
Same naman kami. Kasi nung naging kami, I mean, first na na-check sa, like, first na na-tick yung, like, na-tick off sa box is yung, agreement between us na mag-jowa kami. Actually, ako yung nauna.
Yeah.
And then, yun, kinlarify niya if
sure ka tayo na?
Ganun. And then I said, yes, okay, fine. Adi, that's it.
And
then, ayun, tsaka nalaman ng parents. Tsaka nalaman ng mga pamilya namin.
Pinaalam ko sa parents ko.
Siya, pinaalam niya.
Nalaman ng mama mo. Sa side ko.
Nalaman. But we're good.
Yeah, we're good na.
Okay. Ayan,
so yun.
Same boat kami doon. Kailangan
alam yung dalawa. Kailangan declared. Parang sa kasal lang yan. Kinakasal ka lang kapag may witness. Hindi pwedeng kayong dalawa lang tas yung pare. Kailangan may external witness kayo. Kasi, di ba, kailangan may witness for it to be official.
Ano yun? Ang pangit ng, for me, for us, ang pangit ng relationship if sobrang ambiguous. Parang mapapatanong ka, ano ba tayo?
Oo. I mean, hindi naman, siguro, yung second item na kailangan alam ng magulang, kailangan alam ng family and
For
shit.
me, yung pag kailangan alam ng family, dapat official na, as in, alam niyo sa sarili niya, or like, sa inyong
Oo.
dalawa na kayo talaga.
Yeah.
And like, may intention na magstay somewhat.
Oo, right now, hindi yung gano'ng,
Dodger pa naman ng mga
di ba? Pero right now, hindi naman yung gano'ng problema ng generation natin. Ang problema natin yung first checklist eh.
Oo, kasi,
Yung first item.
oo.
Kasi what?
Wala lang, daming flings. Actually, sa amin, ewan ko. I never had the, kasi, yung ganung, as in, yung mga situationships ngayon. Pero uso kasi yun ngayon. Uso ba? Or, ewan ko, trend?
I know, that's like, we cannot talk. Kasi we've been together for
Oo,
7+
but
years.
lahat ng sasabihin namin about situationships and yun, yung ambiguous relationship. As an outsider, kasi never naman kami nagkaroon ng ganung relationship.
Yeah, parang teenagers pa lang, mag-jowa na tayo eh. So like, we weren't really in that game.
I mean, so for flings, siguro meron-ish.
Yeah, pero at a very, very young age
Hindi,
talaga.
tsaka hindi siya katulad ng mga situationships ngayon na talagang, alam mo yun, yun, parang ewan ko, parang goal siya ngayon. Parang mas enjoyable or something, mas may thrill kapag situationship. Whatever.
Yeah, that's like a Gen Z thing.
Gen Z thing or, ewan ko, Pinoy thing? To keep the options open? I don't know.
That's a Gen Z thing. Ate ko,
Parang cool pag kami ka-situation.
ate ko, millennial, laging official eh. Nakailang official boyfriend siya eh. There was never a situationship. Generation natin, even nung bata tayo, mga MU shit, that's already a sign of situationships.
Tsaka, ang I don't know, conflicting and nakakalito yun if situationship kayo. Kasi, di ba, kunyari kapag sa amin, official tayo, or like, official kayo mag-jowa.
Yeah.
Parang, yun, when you're in public, ganyan, tapos, may makikita kang other people, or like, mga third, so yung mga outsiders sa relationship nyo. So, parang, alam mo yun, if situationship kayo, parang, where does the relationship stand, di ba?
Oo. It's so vague kasi. So blurry.
Tsaka, paano yung bawal mag-entertain ng iba?
Di ba?
When you're together, the situationship lang naman kayo. Yan, kaya marami na heartbroken. Kaya marami broken yun.
Kasi,
yung mga ginagawang personality.
totoo, parang, ba't kasi pumasok ng situationship? Tapos you're demanding loyalty.
Di ba? Baka ayaw lang nila responsibilidad.
Yeah. Parang gusto nila lang,
gusto long term.
They want commitment. But they don't want accountability.
Yeah, sakit ng Pinoy yan. Pero,
yeah.
I mean, Pinoy din naman kami, pero,
so common kasi.
Oo.
And, for us, at least for me, most likely
or
pares
baka
tayo.
conservative lang kasi kami, but still.
Hindi. Oh, but for us, most probably for us, okay? Parang, if you're in it, just go for it 100%. Wag yung, oy, akin ka, but, may asterisk. Ano yun?
Oo.
Parang if you're there, if you're there, go all in. Parang, you're not only shorthanding the person you're with, you're also shorthanding yourself.
Your relationship itself.
Yeah, parang, I don't know, probably because of fear. Probably because of, and if you're,
ayaw lang mag-commit yun, ayaw ng responsibility.
Yeah, parang gusto mo, meron kang, ang dating kasi sa akin, ng mga tao na pag situationship, they always, parang they feel like they're reserving something for themselves, na parang may alas sila. Parang ganun.
Damn.
Like, parang they're like saving, they're saving a card in their back pocket that they will pull out when they need it. Parang, get out of jail free card.
Parang way out.
Oo.
Parang way out.
Ganun.
Para alam mo yung, baka takot silang matrap or something with the person. Oo.
Parang nasa expressway. Tapos, parang you're unsure sang exit ka pupunta. So, nakababad ka lang doon sa
doon sa lane.
Sa shoulder. Diba? And it is, baka different lang.
Ano kasi yun ngayon, diba? Sa Philippines, ayun ko, may statistics ako nakita.
Na ano?
I don't know, PSA ba yun? Basta, mas maraming live-in ngayon sa Pinas kaysa kasal.
Ay, totoo yan.
Diba?
Totoo yan.
Well, for us kasi gusto namin kasal.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, we like it official.
Oo.
Pero, totoo yan, kasi ang dami kong kilala. Like, hindi namin ka-age, mga older pa.
Parang
Wala,
sa
nagsettle na talaga sila sa
live-in lang.
Live-in lang.
That's a
Partner
millennial.
sila,
That's a
ganyan.
millennial. That's a millennial. That's a millennial thing.
Kasi siguro, but
But Gen Z thing ba? Parang I rarely
hindi,
see it eh.
situationship talaga sa Gen Z.
Yeah. I mean, kung situationship, alala naman nun, situationship
Mga,
lang, tapos live-in pa.
talking stage lang, ganyan. Kasi nga, ayun nga, parang na-observe namin, gusto nila yung may way out.
Yeah.
Parang, they want to be in it, but not totally in it. Ganun. I don't know.
Okay, hot take for me, it's a cowardly thing to do.
Yeah, me too, but I don't know.
Parang, I mean, fine. Live your life to the fullest, diba? Be happy. If you're happy, we're happy.
Yeah.
But, parang, especially,
Parang mapapatanong ka, bakit pinasok yung relasyon?
yung broken na broken sila. And I'm like, gaano kayo katagal? Tapos di pala naging sila.
Yeah.
And like,
Parang
tas
they're
ang source
trapped.
of frustration nila ay malabo. Hindi nila alam kung ano meron sila. Parang,
Sorry.
oh. Parang,
Isa pa yan, ang daming malabo. Parang, nililawin nyo.
ito yung mahirap kasi with relationships built on situationships. It's built on the foundation of miscommunication.
Oo.
Parang,
oo.
from the get-go.
But kahit sa amin din naman.
Sobrang
mahirap.
prone na for miscom. Kahit tayo nga di ba? Na
kahit
official.
Kami, madaming spaces in the relationship for miscom.
Tayo na nun Like,
Oo.
officially tayo
Yes. And
Ang dami
for me
nating
kasi,
misunderstanding already.
that's something the couple decides upon. Parang,
Sige, pag ito ka.
oo.
Pag gantong situation,
Kasi
ganito ang
there's
gawin
no
mo
clear way to express yourself through than words though.
Yeah, parang just say it.
I mean, actions is one thing, but magkakaintindihan kayo through words. So like, sabihin mo.
Yeah. So, I don't know. That's
dami
that's it.
kasing tao ngayon, daming parang gusto nila, inuhulaan sila, ganyan.
Ano to
Like,
pa,
they're
baka nga.
expecting na wag ganito yung sign. Ayan, mga signs.
Oo, di ba? Baka mamaya, baka the lack of, parang inaasa nila sa whatever shit na, okay, I'm gonna give breadcrumbs here. Kapag kumagat yan, and he or she does whatever shit that I want her to do without actually saying it, baka siya na for me.
Yeah.
And I think that's fucking bullshit.
Yeah, parang just say it, bro.
Just say it.
Nakakahiya, I guess. Lalo na if, magko-confess ka or whatever.
Yeah,
We've been
just
there,
say it.
Yun kasi parang would you rather, get lost in whatever fucking translation there is?
Oo, di ba? Parang just say it.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work out,
It doesn't.
I think there's pride in trying. Even if you fail.
Yeah.
Diba? There's grace and failure even in sa mga fling-fling.
Just shoot it, diba? You shoot your shot, bro.
Oh, sabi nga ni Michael Jordan, diba? You shoot 100% of, you miss 100% of the shot that you don't take.